Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of online advertising and comparing two popular ad networks, Adsense and Mediavine. If you're navigating the monetization waters, this video is for you. Let's jump right in and explore which ad network might be the better fit for you. Google AdSense is one of the oldest and most widely used ad networks out there. It's known for its simplicity and integration with various platforms. AdSense is easy to set up and it's compatible with the different type of contents from blogs to videos. On the positive side, it's beginner friendly, offers a variety of ad formats and has a vast pool of advertisers. However, the downside includes potential lower earnings and less control over the types of ads displayed. If you're just starting, AdSense might be a great entry point into the world of online advertising. Now, let's shift our focus to Mediavine. Mediavine is a more recent player but has gained popularity, especially among content creators with high traffic. It's known for its premium ad inventory and a focus on user experience. On the positive sides, it tends to offer high RPMs, personalized support, and advanced ad optimization. However, you might need higher traffic to qualify for Mediavine, and there's a strict exclusivity requirement. If you have a substantial audience, Mediavine could potentially boost your earnings. So, which one is better for you? It depends on several factors: your content, your audience size, and your preference. AdSense might be more accessible for beginners, while Mediavine could be the next step for those with a larger engaged audience. Consider your goals, your current audience size, and your long-term strategy when making this decision. And there you have it, folks, AdSense versus Mediavine, each with its strength and considerations. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share, and like the video.